These are exciting times in the world of cryptocurrency. I hope you are all safe from coronavirus. I hope you are all taking the necessary precautions to prevent this pandemic from spreading wider than it already has. I hope yourself and your family are safe. That being said, I have something really exciting I really hope to share with you today. It's called Gramfree. As you all know, Telegram has its own blockchain called Ton, Telegram's open network, and they just launched a cryptocurrency called Gram. So we are going to talk about Gram, how you can acquire this Gram on gramfree.net, and also how to maximize the time you spend on this website. Now, I'm going to show you 4 things you could be doing on this website to earn more gram. As we all know, 1 gram is currently valued at $1.84. All right, so first thing first, the first way to earn money on this website goes without saying is to invite your friends. When you invite your friends and they register with your Facebook or Google account, you get rewarded 5 grams. 5 grams is also equivalent to, let's call it $9 or thereabout. All right, so next thing is to play Freeroll. Now, as you can see, the time is counting down. Okay, I can play the Freeroll once every hour, one time every 60 minutes is when I can play the Freeroll. I've already played it within the hour. I still have to wait for 28 minutes more before I can play another one. The next way to make money on this platform is to play the lottery. Now, every day, 100,000 tickets are being loaded into this platform, and we purchase our lottery ticket using the earnings that we make from the platform. Now, I have participated in this lottery in the past 3 days. I've not been able to, make a jackpot, but I've been paid 3 of those times, 10 gram each. So it's not bad. This is basically $20 sitting right there. The next way to make money on this platform is, like I said, signing smart contracts. I've showed you the referrals. I've showed you the free roll. Okay, signing smart contracts. Okay, these contracts are here for us to just click on them and sign and confirm, and then we collect the required gram, the stipulated gram. What we do also in this platform to make money is to watch videos. You can watch videos. These are all videos uploaded on this platform. Hopefully, after recording this one, I will upload it to this platform as well. But having said that, you can actually click on any of these videos and watch it and get paid for doing
Hello, dear viewers.
so.
Here is my
Right?
balance in my wallet, and today I
Yeah,
want to tell you about an easy way
that's
to make
about
money.
watching video. We talked about smart contracts. Let me show you how the free roll looks like. All right, so with the free roll, all you need to do is to click this button when the time hits 0 here. You click the button, and then you get a lucky number ranging from 1 to 1,000. Depending on the number you get, we determine how much you earn. Okay, and that'll be all. So go ahead right now. There's a link below the description. Go ahead right now. Click on the link to get yourself signed up. It is for free. All right. Nobody is going to ask you to pay anything on this website. Even though if you want, you can as well make a deposit and buy grams yourself. Okay, and hodl for yourself. But that's not why we're here. I'm here to show you how to generate Bitcoin, how to make free Bitcoin working legitimately. Okay. If you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section. If not, go ahead and sign off. You can as well reach me with the phone number on the description. That's my WhatsApp number. Okay, so let's get this money, guys. Let's do this.